Are you ready to sell your home? It's a very, very big decision. However, if you're thinking about it, most likely it is the right time. But first, we have a few points to cover. One, what is your home's worth? It is super important to know the highest value you can list your property at. There is a lot of uncertainty out there right now on the market. However, if your property is priced correctly, not underpriced, not overpriced, if it is priced correctly, most likely you're going to be very successful in the selling of your property. Number two, how much equity do you have on your property? Very important for you to know as well. Number three, how much does it cost for me to prepare my home for selling? I have over 20 years of experience in the design field and remodeling, so I'll be more than happy to sit down with you, walk the property with you, and take a look at a few things that you might want to do and come up with a really good pricing. Number four, how long will it take to close? Most likely, if it is priced correctly, it will not last that long. If you have any other questions, please feel free to give me a call. The experts are here to help you always. Wait, I forgot to mention, if you click the link below, we will be able to send you an instant home selling report analysis, which is pretty much what is your home's worth. Now, if you want a more accurate comparable market analysis, I will have to sit down with you, walk your property with you. That comes after. But for you to have a really good idea on what your home is worth, click the link below, enter your address, and then it's going to ask you for your just name and email address, and that report is coming to you right away. See you soon.